COLEEN and Wayne Rooney fear their reputations will be shredded at the blockbuster Wagatha Christie trial, a pal claims. The WAG, 35, will go head-to-head at the High Court next week with Rebekah Vardy, 39, after she accused her of leaking stories to the press. 4. COLEEN and Wayne Rooney reportedly fear their reputations will be shredded. Credit, splash. 4. The WAG will come face-to-face with Rebekah Vardy next week. But the Rooneys fear being grilled over their relationship with the media amid reports some stories about Wayne were hushed up. There could also be stories about the Derby County manager COLEEN doesn't know about, it is claimed. Wayne has been at the center of a string of boozy sex shame scandals during the couple's 13-year marriage. Most recently, the ex-Manchester United legend was pictured in a hotel with Snapchat models after a night out in July. A friend told Mail Online, "This trial is a slow-motion train crash and at this point it's probably too late to stop it from happening." The fear is it's going to shred the Rooneys' reputation as well as the Vardys. Stories may come out which COLEEN doesn't know about and that could put a strain on the marriage. It is a disaster in the making, but the momentum is now such that it seems too late to stop it. The warring WAGs are embroiled in a lengthy libel case that is due to play out in public at the High Court next week. The Sun revealed COLEEN tried 3 times to settle the case, but she claimed in her witness statement her efforts were in vain. COLEEN turned detective in October 2019 and accused Rebekah of sharing stories from her personal Instagram account. In the infamous post, COLEEN said she posted a string of false stories via her Instagram account with restricted access to see if they appeared in the media, which they did. She then said the fake stories had only been viewed by one person, and ended dramatically, "It's Rebekah Vardy's account." Jamie Vardy's wife Rebekah, who was heavily pregnant at the time, denied the allegations and claimed several people had access to her account. The court heard previously how COLEEN's investigation was so top secret even hubby Wayne didn't know about it. 4. COLEEN and Wayne's marriage has been rocked by multiple scandals. Credit, Instagram. 4. COLEEN has accused Rebekah of leaking stories to the press. Credit, Splash News.